War ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Sorkar bapei ya katanat ka kot ya khia ba wailat miki shala ula pentip ba mentahi Bnai en Pyllait no ya Tulop jongi arspa prangut ki nos ki batrai ha ka contractual basis ula ong bakam dei ba ka Sorkar ka ap hadu banda dawa ki sang balang ning sang san perthei nrai ka Sorkar kla don lupa ha ka jingpen kre ban Pyllait no ya pisa ulia thu ba ka daw ka jing slem kadai namar ka don ka jing thut hakir kom trekam namar ba ha ka jaka ban penjalan ya ka snem trekam joki arspa arpa prangut ki nos la penjalan ban tang arspa ngut kumta hab ban penbet thma ya ka ni.
See, it's not we are waiting for the demand. It's not that they need to demand for it. We are already in the process, but there was some issue, and I think it's not for the first time. There in the past also this kind of issue have been faced from time to time regarding this contract nurses where their contract end on the 1st of November 2025 last year. So no doubt from our end we have already sent for the extension to the personal department, but the personal department approved for only 200 of them. So then, because there were 288, not only 288, there were others also, but for others they were clear. Along with that, out of those and other than the 288, 200 were approved. But since there were 288, so we will send it back for correction. That we want that all the 288 should be approved. So that's why it took time there, because we have to send it back. So we already work it out. So in the meantime, they're done, and in this month itself, so they will be getting their salary. Okay. Because as you know, that these are contractual, for the period of 1 year. So we already it end on the last year or on November. So we send it for extension, but there was a slight confusion. They approve only 200. So we have sent it back. So in the meantime, it will be done.